Go now to meteorologist Paul Deanno for a look at our next weather forecast.
And our forecast is so much calmer here than what they're dealing with back east. Yes, we have fog. Yes, we have heat. 500 miles inland from the coastline, there were people being rescued from the top of two-story houses. That's how high the water got from all of the rain ahead of the storm and then with the storm itself. Let's talk more about that fog. Camarillo visibility is getting better. It is still reduced. It was half a mile. Now it's 2.5 miles. So the fog is beginning to burn off. Not so much at LAX. Quarter-mile visibility there, still less than a mile for Carson, 1 mile for Santa Ana and Laguna Beach. Valleys, you were clear. You never got the fog. The San Gabriel Valley, it is quite mild. In the mountains, you never cooled off. You're literally above the marine layer. You're 84 degrees already in the mountains. Not good for the fire danger. Santa Monica, it's 22 degrees cooler. We still can't see much in Santa Monica. It may be another hour or two before the clouds clear there. And even when you get the sunshine, you will stay in the 70s. Santa Ana, 80s, 3 degrees above average. LA and Burbank, 90s, anywhere from 10 to 14 degrees above average. Ontario and Lancaster, triple digits, and get used to it. You're going to be there for the next 7 days. That's about 15, 16 degrees warmer than average. Lots of heat advisories, heat warnings. Excessive heat warning in effect Inland Empire, San Fernando Valley, Santa Clarita Valley, and the mountains as well. Air quality alert for the Inland Empire because offshore winds are blowing that line fire smoke back over you or down into the valley itself, keeping air quality pretty bad. Simi Valley, you will be 98 today, 101 tomorrow. 98 on Thursday, so not much of a change. You are hot. You're going to stay hot for a while. At least the mornings are relatively cool. Long Beach, you'll be in the 80s this afternoon. You're still foggy. It is 64 degrees. But later on today, anywhere away from the cooling influence of the ocean, lots of triple digits here. Van Nuys, 107. Same story for Woodland Hills. Hemet, 107. Palm Springs, not a typo. October 1st, 115 degrees. Santa Clarita, 106. But markedly cooler near the water, but even you're warming up. LAX up to 75. Ridge of high pressure center over Northern California. Happens almost every early fall. And it's the perfect setup to close the door on the ocean influence. And for most of us, we get a wind coming from the north and northeast. It is still hot over our inland deserts, and we get quite toasty. So for the Inland Empire, there's not one day over the next week where I think your high is going to be below 100 degrees. Two hottest days are today and tomorrow, but we're staying pretty hot after that. Valleys, same story, 100 or hotter for each of the next 7 days, the first 7 days of October. Up to 109 on Wednesday. Los Angeles, you'll be hot as well. 91 today, 97 coming up tomorrow. That's your KCAL forecast.
Now you can get your KCAL news, weather, and live stream all in one place on the CBS News app. Download it free today.